Thanks to this, I have the skin of a 12-year-old girl. If we want to have a skin of envy, then we must grant the necessary care. For example, from time to time we must exfoliate our skin, in addition to protecting ourselves from the sun's rays, and why not lean on some creams to keep it completely hydrated. Although you can also try this homemade trick based on oatmeal, are some bags that you must prepare that will help your skin is very well maintained. It is very easy to prepare, and best of all is that the benefits are very good. It serves very well. These bath bags with oats are used in therapeutic immersion baths. To start, you must buy or make some bags of gauze, organza, muslin or tulle. It is not necessary that they are too big. The mixture is about 250 grams, approximately. Whether you buy them or do them, you can do more than one preparation and leave them ready for when you need them. Instructions: in a bowl, mix 2 cups of oatmeal flakes with 1/2 grated soap. Select a natural, moisturizing and creamy soap. Add 10 drops of rosehip oil. The rosehip is also a powerful moisturizing and regenerative. Add different ingredients according to your needs. You can place a few leaves of mint or eucalyptus if you have nasal congestion. With about 10 drops of lavender essential oil you will achieve a good rest, and you will be able to relax the whole body. With a citrus oil you will get to clean the pores thoroughly. Mix everything very well with a wooden spoon. Pour the contents into the bags, until completing 3/4. Close very well, making a double knot. If you have the possibility, you can sew them to secure the preparation well. How to prepare the bathroom? To use the bath bags with oats, you will only need to prepare your bathroom as always. Fill the tub with warm water. Submerge the body and wet one of the bags, which will soon begin to foam. After a few minutes, you can leave it at the bottom of the tub or pass it through the body to take better advantage of its properties. When finished, hang the bag to drain. Once you dry, you can use it again. Each preparation yields up to 2 bathrooms. Then, you can empty them and make a new mixture, taking advantage of the bags. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.